Here in Bakersfield, we're at 55. That is a little bit cooler than yesterday. Some clouds coming through, some scattered showers. While you slept, we picked up another 1/10 of an inch since midnight. We got 1400s before midnight. So in storm total, about a 1/4 inch for Bakersfield. And I mean, it's that much, but that's a lot for us here in Bakersfield, as you know. And we'll continue to have just a little bit more scattered showers coming on shore throughout the day. And then another push with a band of rain this evening that tries to turn to mountain snow tonight. Tomorrow is dry, good for Happy's race, right? And then that Friday storm starts sliding down the coastline. Now, most of the forecast computer models are calling for it to be drying out by Saturday, but the more I watch this, I think unfortunately we could continue to have scattered showers throughout the day on Saturday. And I say unfortunately because nobody wants rain on a Saturday, but it's also St. Patrick's Day. Jada was saying that is no fun to have rain in the forecast, and I'm sorry, but we'll watch it as that second system develops. For today, there go those scattered showers. Still relatively warm enough we could have some isolated thunderstorms today. Here's that band of rain moving in late this afternoon into this evening. The sun sets about 7. After that, it starts getting colder, so we're going to try and pick up a slushy mix for our mountains in those overnight hours. It's light snow sticking at the highest elevations like Alta Sierra, Bear Valley Springs, Pine Mountain Club, but for pass level, it's slushy, kind of messy, and then still windy tomorrow morning. You see 26-mile-an-hour winds in Tehachapi. If we get a little bit of that snow falling at sunrise, that could create lowered visibility. But again, here in Bakersfield, just rain today, a break tomorrow, rain on Friday. It says that showers will be tapering off on Saturday, but go ahead and make a rainy day plan just in case. We are dry early next week, and then as spring begins on Tuesday, another chance of rain. Curry and River Valley, rain today, a break tomorrow, rain on Friday, and then you see those showers Saturday. So your temperatures in the 50s for your high, your lows in the 30s. Not cold enough to bring snow down to the lake, but maybe walk or pass. Tehachapi, I mentioned rain today, and then some of that slushy snow tomorrow. Don't think it'll be closing the passes, but something to watch. And then the rain during the day on Friday, you see how we dropped to freezing? That will try to turn to snow early Saturday for St. Patrick's Day. Same story for Fraser Park over the Grapevine. So we'll call it rain during the day, little bit of slushy snow tomorrow, a little bit of sticking snow Saturday in those early morning hours. So again, if you are traveling, I think you can get over those passes with this weather, but just slow it down. Take it easy. The roads will be slick.